clean towel. No, get him off.
Tango.
Tango, get off the towel.
Start dragging it around the room again. That was funny.
Get off. Get off. Get off. Get. Tango, I'm serious, dude. I don't want to give you a heart attack, but seriously, little fucker, get off. You will shit on my clean towels. They're clean. Mama, do something with your bird.
I'm not touching that bird.
Drag him around the room again. That seemed to help.
Because now he can slide around the basket and bite me. Tango. Tango. Get off the fucking basket. Tango. This is not fucking funny, you mad, you little bastard bird.
Hey.
Fuck off my basket.
Pick him up.
Yeah, big boy, come on, pick the bird up.
No.
Pick him up.
Touching that bird.
Pick him up. You brave? Didn't think so.
That bird
Tango.
tear me up.
That bird hang your hand, your fingers.
Tango.
Come here.
Get off. Get off. Don't get in the towels. Get off.
Tango. Go take him to the cage.
He just got out.
Uh-uh.
Just came over.
There you go. Are you recording that?
Get off.